India's most powerful defense export story may be getting its next big chapter. Indonesia has formally expressed interest in purchasing BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, one of India's most advanced and successful joint weapon system. Indian Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh confirmed this request recently at Lucknow. So let's take a look at how Indonesia became the latest Southeast Asian nation to seek BrahMos and what this means for India's defense export ecosystem. Indonesia has made an official bid to purchase the Indo-Russian BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, a step that could mark one of India's most significant defense export breakthroughs. India's Defence Minister Mr. Rajnath Singh, speaking in Lucknow, confirmed that Indonesia has requested the missile system manufactured at BrahMos facility in Lucknow. According to defense officials, all discussions between New Delhi and Jakarta are complete. The agreement is ready but awaits the final nod from Russia, which co-develops BrahMos through NPO Mashinoustrojenia. Once cleared, Indonesia will become the second country after Philippines to procure BrahMos.
Operation Sindoor has triggered a global rush for BrahMos, with countries lining up like it's a Black Friday sale. Vietnam is close to a $700 million deal, while Indonesia has already secured a $450 million agreement. Malaysia, Thailand, Singapore, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are all in the active negotiations.
The Philippines had signed a $375 million contract in year 2023 for 3 BrahMos coastal batteries, a deal that dramatically strengthened Manila's maritime defense posture. The Indonesian deal would reinforce a similar pattern. Countries across Southeast Asia are looking at BrahMos as credible deterrence tool amid rising regional tensions. Jointly developed by DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinoustrojenia, BrahMos is one of the fastest supersonic cruise missiles in the world. With a range of over 290 kilometers and speeds reaching up to Mach 2.8, this missile can be launched from land, sea and air. Its precision strike capability and low earth flying profile makes it a formidable system for any coastal or maritime defense work. Indonesia's interest aligns with its wider military modernization program, especially as the country faces maritime security challenges near Natuna Islands and in the South China Sea's extended influence zone. Jakarta, joining the BRICS group in 2024, has also deepened its strategic ties with India. A BrahMos purchase would mark a powerful signal, strengthening defense cooperation with New Delhi while diversifying Indonesia's security partnerships. For India, a second BrahMos export deal would be a milestone, showcasing countries' ability to sell high-value, cutting-edge weaponry to friendly nations. It reflects growing confidence in Indian defense manufacturing and reinforces the government's ambition to make India a global defense hub.
So now the question arises, why BrahMos grabbing global attention? The missile is trending worldwide for its Mach 3 supersonic speed and extreme precision. Its fire and forget guidance, stealth design and sea-skimming flight make it almost impossible to intercept. Capable of launching far from land, sea and submarines, it offers unmatched versatility. With high lethality, adaptive trajectories and combat-proven performances, it has become one of the world's most sought-after strike weapons.
If signed, the deal will not only provide Indonesia with a top-tier deterrent, but will also have ripples across the broader Indo-Pacific security architecture. With more Southeast Asian nations evaluating BrahMos, India's role as a stabilizer and security partner in the region continues to expand. BrahMos is not just a missile, it's India's calling card in the global defense marketplace. If Indonesia becomes the next BrahMos user, it will reinforce two realities. Firstly, India is now a credible supplier of high-end defense systems, and Southeast Asian nations increasingly see New Delhi as a strategic and a reliable partner. And secondly, the geopolitical message that it gives is clear. Indian technology is shaping deterrence equations in Indo-Pacific region. And that's the strategic significance of Indonesia's BrahMos bid.